welcome to a new Thrive Theme Builder tutorial. In this one, I will show you how to add a script to your Thrive Theme Builder theme. So let's get right into it. First, access the Thrive dashboard from your WordPress admin dashboard. Now here, look for the Analytics and Scripts card and click here on Manage Scripts. Alright, so this is where you can add your script. Let's start by clicking on this Add New button and then paste here the script that we want to add to our theme. Alright. Next, here in the script label, you can type in something that helps you identify what the script is about, in case you're going to use multiple scripts on your website. So this is helpful if you want to distinguish between them. Mine is a Facebook tracking pixel. In this case, the system has automatically identified the script and added this name right here, but of course, you can delete it if you want and add in a new one. Then from here, you can choose the placement, so the location where the script should be added. And in this case, I'm going to use the before head placement. Okay, and lastly, you will also have to choose where to insert the script. So you can select between Thrive themes or landing pages, or both if you want. In this case, I want to add the script to my Thrive Theme Builder theme, so I'm just going to tick this box. Now with this setup, I can click on continue, and now you can see that the script has been added to my theme. Now here you can still go ahead and use the remaining options, so you can edit the script if you click here, and this will open right up the recently closed pop-up. And then in case you're planning to stop using the script, you can simply remove it from this trash icon. And that's about it. This is how you can add a script to your Thrive Theme Builder theme.